Hello, my name is Akosia Dosti and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe, like, share and drop a comment. If you are old here, thank you for watching my videos and I love you so much. Let's get into the video. Welcome back. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to teach you how to do your thumbnails. A lot of new YouTubers struggle with their thumbnails and it's not helping them to grow their channel. So today I'm going to teach you how I personally do my thumbnails, which gets me a lot of subscribers. Let's get into the video. So I'm about to teach you how to use Capcut to create your thumbnails. A lot of people doesn't know you can use Capcut to create your thumbnails. Firstly, tap on the Serafi search bar. So when you type on the Serafi search bar, then you type Google to search. When you type on Google to search, the Google page will open for you. So then you type in remove background. After typing remove background, then you tap on the page to link you to where you can remove the background of your image. So this is how the page looks like when you tap on remove background. Then you select the image you want to use to remove the background. So the image you want to choose to remove the background, let's use this image. So I have selected my image. Then you wait a little bit for it to remove its background. After that, you tap on download. The download arrow is down there. So you tap on download. After tapping on download, you wait for some minutes for it to download. Then you tap on the arrow left corner of the search bar. Then you tap download to view the image. So this is the image you've removed the background. Then you save to your gallery. After saving your picture to your gallery, we go back to Google. To search a background. So we type yellow background. Is the result of the yellow background. So this is our yellow background. So we type on our yellow background to add to photos or gallery. We add it to our photos. Then you go to either Play Store or Apple Store to download the app Capcut if you don't have Capcut. If you don't have Capcut on your phone, download the app Capcut, and this is how the Capcut look like. So you just type on download. I've already downloaded the Capcut, so let's get into it. Okay, so you open the Capcut app. This is how it should be. So you tap on new project, then you select the yellow background for our work. So this is how our yellow background will be looking. Then we select aspect ratio. We had to put our background into YouTube size or length before we can work with it. So you need to put your background into YouTube size, and the size is 16:9. Okay, so I have selected the size. Now let's get into it. We need to select the image that we removed the background, the image we'll be using for our thumbnail. So you select the image, then you adjust it to your preference size. You just be using your hands to adjust, either by making it small or making it bigger. So after that, we select the other photos we've downloaded. So I downloaded some of the thumbnails others have used on their YouTube videos so that it will get some catchy or spicy attraction. So this is how I'm doing it. You just adjust it by making it smaller or making it bigger depending on how you like it. Then we select the other one. So let's select the next photo for our thumbnail. So this is our next photo, and this is going to help you to get the attraction so that our thumbnail wouldn't look very raw or very simple. Okay, so be you just be opening it or making it small depending on the size you wish to have. So I'm just adjusting it in and off to get my preference size. We are going for the next image that we want to add on the page, and the image is Capcut. So I'm adding the image of Capcut to the other image so that I get 3 thumbnails which can attract the viewer's attention. Now let's use the Capcut logo as our main point for our thumbnail. So I'm just making it into the size so that I will get a bigger size when I add it to the page. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm just adjusting it to my preference size. Then I add it to my background. So I'm just looking for a nice place to place it so that I get a catchy place. Now let's go to adding of text. So we select or type on text, then we type thumbnails. So let's type thumbnails. After typing thumbnails, we just go to font to look for our font size. Then we go to style. So this is the font size I want to use. Then I move to style. The style I want to use black and white. Then I move to background. I wanted to add a background. So I'm just working on the opacity. Then I add glow to my text to just give it an attraction. Then I bold and highlight it for it to be nice and catchy. Then I just placed it at where I preferred it to be. I'm just adjusting it to how I want it. You just be playing around it to get the attracted size or the attraction you want your audience to get. So after that, I go in for another test. I'm just adjusting my images to see if they are okay. Then I go in for another test. So I type on test again. Then I go in to type tutorials. So after finish typing my tutorials, I go in to select my font. So I'm just looking for a suitable font that I'm going to use. Then I used it. So after getting the suitable font I want to use, I go in for style. The style I want to use, then I just adapt to it. So I'll check the background that I want to use, the color, the glow, and everything. You just be adjusting it to how you want it to appear on your background. So I'm just adjusting and making very sure that I get a good, writings or background for the tutorial. So I went to look for a preferred color for the background, and this is the color that I wanted to use, but I didn't know what to do. So I went to check the background and selected black for the background to see if the color is going to pop out. Then I went to glue to select the glue that I wanted to use. So I'm just working in and out to get a nice background and a nice posture for my thumbnail. So I added the glue to it, then I was done with it. Then I had to add it to my background. Now let's go to stickers and look for an arrow which is going to direct our thumbnail tutorial to the sub pictures or sub thumbnails which are under our background. So I was looking for a nice arrow that would be good to select, and finally we got one. So we had one and I selected it. So I was just adjusting it to where I want it to link from the tutorial to the pictures. I was just adjusting to link it up so that I get a nice size for it. And then I was done with my arrow. So this is how it was looking afterwards. So I was just adjusting it a little bit to get a big size. So this is how it was looking after everything. So how it was looking. So I needed to save the video because it's not an image. So after saving it, I went to my photos to open up the video. Then I screenshot it and now I edited it into the preferred size. So this is how I do my thumbnails using Capcut. Thank you for watching my videos, and it's a bye. I hope you subscribed and like. Thank you.